Yo, what is poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the entire world. My name is Dylan and welcome back to another episode. Let's get into the news. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. My name's Dylan, nice to meet you. If you're new here, welcome. We like to spice things up, have solid energy, and wear tank tops, apparently. I just got back from the gym, so just disregard that. But today's video, this is absolutely insane. The Federal Aviation Administration, sorry, I'm like at a loss for words. The Federal Aviation Administration approved Uber and San Diego to test commercial food delivery via drone. Wow, yes, you know all that crazy things we like always dreamed about when we were kids? Oh my gosh, imagine if they just delivered packages via drones. It's happening, it's crazy, and it's Uber. Like, what are the coincidences? I have a rideshare channel and I actually get to bring you guys the breaking news. I'm probably actually the first one to report on this, on YouTube at least. So, as you can see here, guys, Uber will start testing Eats drone delivery. Well, look at that. That is a product test image. As you can see, it says Uber Eats, and they're gonna drop off food. I honestly want to order this. I think I'm gonna go to San Diego and try to get one of these things, and I will literally make a video about it. Oh, somebody just texted me. I don't know. Oh, okay, sorry. Uber is gearing up to start testing drone delivery for Uber Eats in dense and urban environments. This comes after the Federal Aviation Administration awarded Uber and Lyft in San Diego, California, the right to test. The company completed the initial phase of testing at San Diego State University. Ooh, shout out to SDSU, great party school, in partnership with MacDo. Later this year, Uber plans to include other Uber Eats restaurant partners, but Uber isn't using drones for the delivery, just a part of it. The restaurant will prepare the meal and then load it into a drone. The drone will take off, fly, and land at a predetermined drop-off location. Behind the scenes, Uber's Elevate classes will track and guide the drone. Oh my gosh, this is insane. As well as notifying Eats delivery driver where to pick up their food. Down the road, Uber envisions landing the drones on top of parked Uber cars. Oh my gosh, guys, honestly, this is insane. Wow, we've been working closely with the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, okay, so basically the federal government approved flight because they don't want to interfere with planes, but Uber is such a great company that they said, like, yeah, go ahead and do it. We don't care, you know, just don't hit any planes. We don't need to get the drone direct to our customers or consumers. We just have to get it close enough. Honestly, this is insane. Ultimately, drone delivery means Uber will be able to get to meals faster and enable restaurants to reach more customers. Honestly, for me, I am a fan because why? I love food. Yes, I want my food faster. For me, time is money. You know, when I'm out there driving, every single minute that I drive, you know, some people are like, oh, you know, I make 20, 30 bucks an hour. I calculate by per minute. You know, I'm trying to make at least 50 cents a minute. That way, at the end of the hour, you know, I'm looking at around 30 bucks an hour. You know, that's 60 grand a year if you calculate it, if you're doing 40 hours a week. If you're doing 80 hours a week, that's $120,000 per year if you're making 50 cents a minute. So I just did the math, you know, you don't have to, you can trust me. But anyways, guys, this is insane. Let me know your comments down below. Would you order from a drone? I don't know, maybe Uber Eats drivers, you don't need to work anymore. You know, maybe you can go on a little vacation while the drones deliver foods for you. I'm at a loss for words. This is insane. How, you know, just hitting the gym, guys. You know, maybe oh, I'm looking pretty buff these days. No, I'm just kidding. I'm super weak. I haven't been to the gym in like months, probably 6 months. I'm just getting back into it. So anyways, guys, make sure to Hulk smash the thumbs up button, guys. Hulk smash it. I'm not talking no, you know, Princess Cinderella, you know, little tap. I want a Hulk smash, guys. A Thor hammer smash that like button. All right, guys, I will talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Later. All right, I'm going crazy. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.